Hello, welcome to the code. Uh, if you see if you are aware about the previous lectures, what we have taught, you know what are the prior settings need to be done about the interpreter. Like you have to select the project interpreter being Python 3.7. You should have all these necessary packages to be installed, and also coming to the frameworks, you should have the MicroPython enabled and ESP8266 as the device type and respective COM. Make sure these are available and there is no error mark here in this area. And coming to the code is pretty simple. You have to first of all import the machine library, and also SSD1306 library. And most of the code which has been given for you as attachment is properly commented. You can just go through it. This particular specific part of the code is I'm trying to create an I2C object where I'm binding the I2C objects with the pins, where fifth pin being clock and fourth pin GPIO4 being the data. Once the I2C object has been created, then we have to bind the I2C object, I2C bus, with the display object, for which we use this SSD1306 library function call, which tries to create a display object which binds the I2C bus with the display, where we clearly mention what is our size of the display. In my case, the display size is 128 by 32, where I pass the I2C object to the SSD1306 underscore I2C function call, by which one display object will be created. Now, the display object has multiple methods which you can use to play around with the display. One such function call is fill. Fill will actually clear all your display if you write a 0. If you want to seek a pixel, then you have to use display.text and seek particular pixel 0, 0 and put your text. Suppose if I put 0, 10, at that particular XY position, my text will be displayed. Also, you can do things like you can set a pixel at particular location. So I've tried to set a pixel in the middle of the display and also at the end of the display. Even you can go for drawing horizontal lines and vertical lines. Horizontal lines like with XY being the position, starting position, and 20 is the length of the horizontal line, 20 pixels is the length, and what is the color. Third argument in all the methods is color. If it is 1, the pixels will be set. If it is 0, they'll be not set. It comes to handy when you actually fill the complete area with 1. That means you will have a very dark display. That means it completely has been set. When you make something 0, it doesn't appear, so it's like a carbon copy. Not like a carbon copy, it's a reverse image. And you cannot even draw some vertical lines. The same thing happens here also. You have to mention the XY position and length of the vertical line, how many pixels it goes up to. And you can even draw a proper line with multiple coordinates. It can be diagonal, it can be of any shape. Just you have to mention the starting point and ending point of the line, like x1, y1 and x2, y2 in this coordinate system. And display.show is the crucial function which tries to show the whatever graphics you are trying to create. These are all at the buffer level. These are all changes happen to the buffer that you have created. This is internal. When you are actually creating these lines and all, these graphics are being managed on the internal buffers. When you actually do a display.show, it shows you. Yeah. Let me flash the code. Once I flash the code, only main.py will be uploaded, and let us see what happens. This is the output what I got. You can see the hello text being started from 0, 0 and as printed, and there is a pixel in the mid position and the pixel in the end position, whatever we have seeked for. There is a pixel in the mid position this one, there is a pixel in the end position, this one, and there is a horizontal line what I have drawn from 0 to 20, elongating to length of 20 pixels. This is the one, and there is a vertical line starting from 15 comma 20, extending up to 25 pixels. This is the vertical line, and display.show has shown it, and the line is the x1 y1 x2 y2 whatever is selected, elongating from 100 comma 25 starting from here, the horizontal to 100 and 25 vertical, and up to 128, the last pixel, and 0 is vertically 0, the top pixel. I'm trying to draw a line from here to here. That's it. Hope it explains so. Thank you.